Welcome back to the channel. In today's beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Tradovate to TradingView step by step. If you are completely new and have zero experience with either platform, don't worry. I'll explain everything in a very simple and clear way. Connecting Tradovate to TradingView allows you to analyze charts and place futures trades directly from your TradingView chart using your Tradovate account. Let's get started. First, open TradingView and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on the Chart section to open a full chart view. Now, look at the bottom panel of your screen. You'll see a tab called Trading Panel. Click on it. Inside the trading panel, you'll see a list of supported brokers and platforms. Scroll through the list and find Tradovate. Click on Tradovate, then click the Connect button. A login window will appear. Enter your Tradovate username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete the verification process. After successfully logging in, your Tradovate account will be connected to TradingView. You should now see your account balance, available margin, and order panel inside the trading panel. To place a trade, open a futures contract chart such as an index or commodity futures symbol supported by Tradovate. Then you can use the buy and sell buttons on the chart, right-click on the chart and select Trade, or use the order panel to place market or limit orders. Before placing any trade, always double-check your order size, contract, and order type. If you don't see Tradovate in the trading panel, make sure your TradingView plan supports broker integration. Your Tradovate account is active, you are logged in to the correct region, and that's it. That's how you connect Tradovate to TradingView, step by step. This setup allows you to analyze and execute trades in one place, which is very efficient for active futures traders. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and beginner-friendly TradingView tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.